Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to IDN News. Today, our health and lifestyle segment will focus on a very important issue, that is mental health awareness. When we talk about health, people often think only about the body, about being strong, eating food, or exercising. But health is not just physical. Mental health is just as important. It includes our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. It affects how we make decisions, how we face challenges, and how we build relationships. According to the World Health Organization, around 1 in 7 young people between the ages of 10 and 19 experience mental health issues such as stress, anxiety, or depression. That number shows that millions of students around the world are silently struggling. Why does this happen? There are many reasons. The first, academic pressure. Students are expected to perform well, get high grades, and prepare for their future. This pressure can become very stressful. And second, family expectation. Sometimes parents want the best for their children, but too much pressure can lead to anxiety. And the third, social media. While it connects us, it can also hurt us. Young people often compare their lives with what they see online, and this creates feelings of insecurity and sadness. Mental health problems can also affect physical health. For example, stress can cause headaches, loss of appetite, or difficulty sleeping. That's why we must understand that mental and physical health are always connected. Taking care of the mind is also taking care of the body. The good news is that awareness can make a difference. When school, families, and friends talk openly about mental health, the stigma is reduced. Students will not feel ashamed to say, I am stressed or I need help. Instead, they will feel supported. There are many simple ways to protect our mental health. Sleep well, eat nutrition food, exercise, take break during study, and spend time with people who make us feel safe. Most importantly, communication is the key. Taking to someone we trust, like a parent, teacher, or friends, can reduce the weight on our shoulders. To understand more about how mental health awareness is practiced in daily life, we now go live to our reporter in the field, who will share with us the perspective of students and communication. Rifai, please tell us more.
Thank you for Nufail. I'm reporting live from IDN News, and today we are focusing on mental health awareness among students and why it is becoming a serious concern. From the outside, students may look happy, active, and motivated, but on the inside, many of them are fighting silent battles, stress from schools, problems at home, or negative experience with friends can all affect mental health. Sadly, because of stigma, many students choose to hide their struggles instead of speaking out. Experts Experts say that one of the biggest problems is academic pressure. Imagine a student who studies late every night, preparing for exams, worrying about grades, and competing with classmates over time. Experts say that one of the biggest problem is academic pressure. Imagine a student who studies late every night, preparing for exams, worrying about grades, and competing with classmates. Over time, this constant stress can lead to burnout and even depression. Another big issue is social media. In one side, it helps us connect with friends, but on the other side, it can make us feel insecure. Teenagers scroll through pictures and videos of perfect lives online and start to believe that their own life is not good enough. This unhealthy comparison is one of the reasons why many young people feel lonely and depressed. Family environment also plays an important role. Supportive families who listen and communicate with their children can reduce stress, but families who ignore mental health or give too much pressure can make the problem worse.
Sama aja.
Experts recommend several lifestyle changes to improve mental health. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Lack of rest makes stress worse. Eat balanced meals. Food can affect our mood more than we realize. Stay active, exercise, even walking for 20 minutes helps reduce stress hormones. Limit social media use. Spending too much time online can increase anxiety. Practice relaxation, deep breathing, meditation, or simply listening to music can calm the mind and most importantly, never hesitate to ask for help. Talking to trusted friend, teacher, or counselor can save lives. In conclusion, mental health is not weakness. It is a fundamental part of our well-being. Just like we go to the doctor when our body is sick, we must also take care of our minds when they are tired. Awareness is the first step, and action is the next. And now back to Novail in the studio.
Okay, thank you for the report. Mental health awareness is not just a discussion, it is a movement. By supporting each other, by listening, and by reducing stigma, we can create a society where everyone feels safe and valued. That's all for today, Health and Lifestyle Report. Thank you for watching IDN News. Stay healthy and stay positive, and see you next time. Goodbye.